Namaste students, myself JVN Brijesh Kumar Yadav, Faculty of Education and Methodology, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Students, I welcome to all of you in my digital class. I have prepared this lecture for BSc B.Ed JWC 5th semester botany paper. Topic name is Fabaceae family. Students, as you all know that since last few days we are discussing about family floral description. Okay, in continuation of that lecture, today's topic is family Fabaceae. Another name is Leguminosae. Students, you can see here is two names of this family, Fabaceae and another name is Leguminosae. Fabaceae is new name and Leguminosae is previous one. Okay, why this Leguminosae name has been changed into Fabaceae? You reply me in comment box so that I can know your involvement, your interest in my lecture. Okay, I recommend you go through some of the paper or literature survey you will find and you reply me in comment box. I will wait for your answer why this Leguminosae name has been changed into Fabaceae family. And if you have remembered, I have already explained there are more than 5 families whose name has been changed in this way. Okay, I have given you this much of clue, and if you people are enough smart, enough intelligent, then I am damn sure you can reply. Okay, but still I will wait for your answer. Please do it. Okay, this is very important fact. Okay, move to our class. Our topic, this is family Fabaceae. Another name is the pea family, the bean family, mimosa family. Many more names are there. Okay, to describe this family. Students, this is the third most important family for human being, for human welfare, for human food. So students, here another question for you people. What are those first and second families which are important for human being? I am telling you this family is important at third rank for human being. So what are those two families which are more important than this? Okay, this is the second question for today's lecture. Okay, move to our topic. This family has 730 genera and 19,500 species. This is another unique feature with this family, that it has huge number of species, means very large family, because very diverse group of plants are there in this family. Okay, so this is another unique feature with this. Now these are two images of plants. I think these are more familiar than you people if you have experienced in nature. One is Senna This is ornamental plant. This is tree. Another is acacia, and this is also familiar to you people. Now distribution. About distribution, the members of this family are cosmopolitan. That's why they are known as cosmopolitan family, means they found everywhere. Absent only from Antarctica, that polar region, are deprived of this family. They are not present over there, otherwise they are present other places. Many genera are extremely widespread, while others are endemic to single countries. Okay, endemic means those species which is located to a particular geographical area. Okay, the family has diversified in most major land biomes, from arid to wet tropic, grassland and coastal. Now about, we'll take economic importance at the end. Rosids, reduced phylogeny of required families. This is the phylogenetic evolution of this family, that is Fabaceae, Malvaceae. These are the families: Euphorbiaceae, Salicaceae, Fabaceae, Rosaceae, Cucurbitaceae and Fagaceae. Okay, among these groups Fabaceae is there along with Rosaceae. So phylogenetically this family is more closer to Rosaceae. Okay, and in Malvaceae group Spinaceae, Brassicaceae and Malvaceae is there. Okay, this is not much more important for you people. Okay, now come to the characteristic features of this family. First, nature of the plants of this family is herbs, vines, trees and shrubs with usually alternate stipulate pinnately to palmately compound leaves. Sometimes unifoliate or simple leaves are there. You might be observing in nature plants leaves are like that. High nitrogen metabolism, that is unusual amino acids, often with root nodules with nitrogen fixation bacteria. You might have studied in first semester and second semester, there was a topic nitrogen fixation in bacteria. So those nitrogen fixation is related with this family members, that root nodules you might be remembering is there, which is occupied by particular bacteria. Today's another question for you people, that which bacteria is found in root nodules of legumes plant. Okay, please write in comment box. Then leaves and leaflets, pulvinous, well developed. Flowers are short cup like hypanthium, presents usually 5 sepals and petals, 3 are connate. Petals all alike are the uppermost one differentiating, that is banner. The lower two forming a keel are flaring apart. 5 attain to many stamens. If connate, then monadelphous or diadelphous. 1 carpel on the short stalk, that is gynophore. Fruits legume, though sometimes modified endosperms are lacking. Now, economic importance. Students, see, this is the third largest family of flowering plants and second only to the cereals and economic importance. Okay, please remember this fact. What is the third largest family of flowering plants? As we were discussing about number of species, at that time I have told you how huge number of species are there in this family. That makes it largest family. Okay, so again another question is, what are those first two which are larger than this family? Okay, so these many numbers of questions you please note down in comment box. Many species in this family are cultivated for food such as beans, peas, peanuts and soya beans. Okay, that's why this is known as pulse family. Pulses are belonging to this family. Okay, others are grown as a animal feed or fertilizer such as clover and lupines. Species of Indigofera yield the dyes indigo. But still, students, I recommend you and I request you that in comment box please note down 10 botanical names of the plants which are belonging to this family. This is an appropriate way to learn botanical names of the plants. Okay, so please do it. I will be waiting for that. So in this way we have finished this family. On next turn we will meet with new topic. Thank you very much.